Good morning from Disney's Hollywood Studios. Where are you? Hannah's here with me this morning. Georgia didn't sleep very well and has woken up pretty unwell, probably because we arrived with colds. I had a bad cold the other day and now it's her turn, so we're taking it in turns being sick. She's going to come meet us in a little bit. She just needed a bit more of a rest, and yeah, we got up pretty early too, to be fair, today. So we're here for pretty much rope drop at Hollywood Studios to get on some extra rides and see what the day brings.
Hopefully some better weather.
Hopefully some better weather. Yeah, we are into storm territory at the moment, and today was Disney half marathon, which was actually cut short and brought forward as well, like in time. So crazy weather here in Orlando, and my marathon's tomorrow. Anyway, let's go and have a good day at Hollywood Studios. Just rain, nothing more. I'm going to pull my hood forward. There we go. Oh no, what a miserable day. This is not good. We've booked on for Slinky, so we'll be going on that soon in the rain. But we're going on Rock and Roller Coaster now. It's a 10-minute wait. We are actually here during the early magic hours. I don't know what they're called anymore. Early entry. We got here 10 minutes before that finishes, so we've got a few things to jump in line for. It's time to get on a super stretch limo. We just missed an absolute torrential downpour just getting in line for Rock and Roller Coaster. I think we're just going to have to live in here for a while. But luckily it's a 10-minute wait. So, I don't know, maybe we'll miss the worst of it. I know, well, it comes with the show, doesn't it? Because we're still in magic hours, we're actually not needing to stop in the pre-show. Always good time with Rock and Roller Coaster. I think it's calmed down and raining, so no. I think we're gonna go try and get a coffee.
Yeah.
And then maybe. Oh, it's calmed down a bit. It definitely isn't as bad as when we got in line. It's still not great. Starbucks in hand. Socks are wet. Let's go to Toy Story Land. Oh. It's getting heavier. Just in time for Slinky. Oh, so very soggy. Oh, it's so rainy.
Here we go.
Oh look, space. Smile for the camera. Wait. Smile up.
I decided to go for a wave, but I just
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, there you go.
It was really close. It
Yeah.
was really good. It was way better than I thought.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say it's better than Seven Dwarfs.
I think it's better than Seven Dwarfs.
Controversial.
Controversial.
I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, okay. Toy Story Mania next. Woo!
Let's do it.
I'm on the phone. Tiny Tim, our little camera, is getting a bit wet and foggy and sad. So I'm just going to leave him in the bag in his case and we're going to do it on the phone. We're in 4K now on the phone. I didn't realise this phone could do 4K. We're going to go on Alien Swirling Saucers. It's only 5 minutes. Oh, don't like there's any line at all, really. Silly little aliens. Have it out. It's been a while since you've been on this, right?
Yes.
So who will win?
8 years for me.
Well, Georgia normally does pretty good on this one, to be fair. She's not very good at Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, I'm rubbish at... She completed Buzz.
She did. She did. Georgia's on her way, so we'll meet her in a little bit. And we're going to go on Mickey Minnie, and she wants to go on Tower of Terror, and then we've kind of done everything that we want to do at Hollywood Studios. So I think we're going to Animal Kingdom after this. Here we go! Rex. Okay, we're going to take it very seriously. So we'll see you when we get off, and I'll tell you the score. Oh, my arm hurts so bad. Where are we at?
Oh, way to play, everyone.
188, 150. Nice work, everyone. I got best in car. Losers. Look who's here. You feeling better?
No.
Oh, but you made it. You got your coffee.
Disney coffee.
Okay, we're going on. Well, I think we're going on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then I think we're going to try and get on Tower of Terror. And then I don't know. We can't park hop till 2, so I don't know what else we can do after that.
So just gonna keep getting wet.
Oh, she's woken up after that extra paracetamol.
Holy is she?
Let's take a ride and spend our day. Everything is so easy.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Now, let's
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so
Well, the rain persists, but we're going on the one that Georgia asked us to wait for. Tower of Terror.
The rain persists, but so do we.
Nice.
I love this ride.
I believe we are about to make it into the Twilight Zone. Tower of Terror was done, screams were screamed, and we've just ordered food from Woody's lunchbox for about an hour or so. And now we're going back onto Toy Story Mania, so Georgia gets to go. And then I think after that we might be heading over to Animal Kingdom for Avatar. That's why I said Avatar. Back on Toy Story. Here we go, Jake and George's very serious game. She feels sick. 163, 217. We both got cats though. You did not win. What did I get? 217. Oh! That's twice today. Hannah, that was my number. She can't hear me. She's on the other side of the wall. Oh dear, look at that. The sun's come out. It's getting warm. That's nice. We needed this. Although it's getting very busy. Okay, we got our Woody's lunchbox. We got grilled cheeses all around with soup, the tachos, and a frozen Powerade lemonade thing. Yeah? Okay. Well, that's good. No forks. Ding dang. So we're just having a stroll through the planet of Batuu. We're going to go on the Skyliner. Go over to Riviera just to use the Skyliner because it's fun. Go to Riviera, get the bus to Animal Kingdom, ready for park hopping, because when we're filming this, we're a couple days before they remove the park hopping reservation stuff. And I think we're going to try and get on Flight of Passage and the Safari. It's getting very busy. It's time to leave. It's time to go on the best mode of transport. Well, the monorail's pretty amazing. I love the monorail. Skyliner's pretty good too.
On our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Smile.
With connecting flights to Epcot International.
Very quiet station at the Skyliner transfer. Making our way over to, well, towards Epcot, but we're getting over to Epcot, but we're going to the Riviera. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh, whee! Oh, bouncy, 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 bouncy. There we go.
What hotel's this?
Caribbean Beach Resort.
This is nice.
And there's Spaceship Earth. Lovely Riviera lobby. Obviously going to go look at some merchandise. Ooh, people. Look at the size of them. They look amazing. I've just got a nice latte from Le Petit Café. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom, where it's still holidays. And Hannah and Georgia are not happy about that. Georgia! How you feeling? Yep, not great. Uh-oh. That's just so sick as well.
He was coming straight.
I know. He's got a drink in hand too. Oh, she's bad at football. Uh-oh. Look at her. She's so stressed. Yeah. Oh, Georgia. Off we go on safari.
Inside the truck the entire time. Now
Also, please make sure to keep time just hiding in the dense underbrush. Now here on the right, we are going to be able to see the okapi. Now the okapi is going to be the closest living relative to a giraffe, or to be the ghost of the forest, because they are very rarely ever seen, and they do blend into a lot of their surroundings out here. It's getting about 55 inches tall just at their shoulders. If you stay seated for me, and just make sure we're not moving around those rows. Alien species, getting about 16 feet in length, weighing about 500 pounds. Now they can eat about half of their body weight in just one sitting. We also call it the upside down tree because it kind of looks like its roots are facing up. Now the Ankole cattle are one of the only nested dogs get their name from the paint splatter markings it looks like they have on them. Now their markings are very unique to them, no two are alike, just like our fingerprints. Time. We can see groups of wildebeest migrating from space just when the amount of dust that they of those rhinos. Now as we go around we might also get another, usually more active at night. Now during the day their eyesight is just like ours, but it's about 6 times stronger.
Just got into the like animal gorilla falls trek thing afterwards, and oh, it's behind a bush. There it is. You're happy. Touch it. Touch the plant. Rub the red bit. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Go help her, Georgia. Go rub the red. Go rub the plant. Oh, it's starting to steam or something. Oh, there you go. It's making. Well, there you go.
That was very difficult. I think it's hard to block that.
Made our way back into Pandora, the world of Avatar. What are we going on? Flight of Passage. Well, in like 10 minutes or so. Yeah, it looks very nice in this light. Let's go and quickly grab a little cheesecakey pod thing from Centuli Canteen. Smells very good in here from all this chicken. Little cheesecakey, I can't remember what it was. It was like cream cheese cake ball pod thing. But I think Georgia needed it to make her feel better. Oh wow, that's very blue.
Oh no.
Mine's not too bad. I only had a tiny bit. You look unwell now.
I am alone.
Yeah, it works. Welcome back to space.
Thank you.
I think it was very well enjoyed because it's gone. Here we go, making our way into the Flight of Passage. This will be Hannah's first time going on it. It's going to be good.
And conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover.
She's a delirious young lady, completely unwell, struggling through the day on our way back to her hotel. There you go. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Sorry it was on the phone. I think the quality looks alright though. And hopefully we're back on the camera tomorrow for the marathon. Oh my god, I'm on the marathon tomorrow. I'm running the Walt Disney World Marathon tomorrow, so please feel free to like and subscribe. Come back for that video and wish me luck. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.